what you did for that little girl?
Nah, it was nothing. I just did what any dog would do.
And they just gave you away?
I don't blame them. They were just protecting their kid.
But you saved her.
And I'd do it again.
We were running out through the storm, through the night. We were running in the dark. We were following our hearts and we would fall down.
Worst day of my life, but I wouldn't change a thing about it.
Why not?
Oh, when you love somebody, I mean, you really love them. You gotta be willing to do anything for them. Even if that means letting them go.
Even if it hurts?
Especially then.